All my friends, is David from QLQ company. Today I want to introduce our brand new automatic zipper teeth head waxing machine for you. As you can see, this is the whole view of this machine. This machine is with a tiny design, so it can save up so many space. Even though this machine is tiny, but this machine is with a powerful function. The zipper comes into from this side and here. When the zipper comes into this part, there's the box holding the wax, and there are also heating pipe inside. It can heat the wax into liquid, and then the well will run in to put the wax on the zipper teeth cap. By this feature, the wax can be evenly put on the zipper head, and finally, it will come out from this side. Now let me start the machine. After waxing, the zipper teeth cap will be more smooth while you're running the slider. So that's the function of this machine. This is the box for wax holding. Usually we will use water wax, but for water wax is no need to heat. But if you use the solid wax, you need to heat it and melt it into liquid state. So how to turn on it? And this button is for temperature or adjusting. You can set the temperature to melt the wax into liquid state. And now the heating pipe is heating. This machine can be commonly used by number 3 and number 4 and number 5. But you have to adjust the height of the teeth with the well. If you are interested in this machine, it's welcome to contact me.